How to screen record on a Windows laptop. Use the Xbox Game Bar or a third-party screen recorder app like ShareX or VLC. What to know? Xbox Game Bar, go to Capture Record, or press the Win plus Alt plus R. Alternatively, use a third-party screen recorder such as Snagit, Fireshot, ShareX, or VLC. ShareX, go to Capture Screen Recording. This video explains how to screen record on a laptop. The instructions apply to all laptops running Windows 11 or Windows 10. How to record your screen with the Xbox Game Bar. Included in Windows is the Xbox Game Bar, which you can use to record your screen while using apps. Since the Game Bar comes pre-installed on your PC, it's the quickest way to screen record on Windows. Note, the Xbox Game Bar can't record your desktop or File Explorer, so you must use a different method if you want to do that. Number 1. On your keyboard, press the Win plus G, or search for Game Bar and open the app. Note, if you don't see the Game Bar, go to Settings Gaming Game Bar, or Xbox Game Bar, and turn it on. Number 2. Look for the capture window in the upper left corner. If you don't see it, select the capture icon, the video camera, in the top toolbar. Number 3. Select the settings gear in the toolbar, then select Widgets or Capturing, whichever one you see, on the left side of the pop-up window. Number 4. Under Audio to record, choose All, None, or Game if you only want to record audio from the app and your microphone. Close the settings window when you're done. Tip, optionally, check the box beside Record in the background while I'm playing a game if you want to always record gameplay. Number 5. Open the app or game you want to record. Open the Xbox Game Bar and select the record icon in the capture window. Number 6. A window with a timer will appear in the upper right corner of your screen indicating that it's being recorded. When you're finished recording, select the stop icon. Tip, alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Win plus Alt plus R to start and stop recording. Number 7. Select the game clip recorded pop-up notification or open the Xbox Game Bar to view your recording. Number 8. The Xbox Game Bar gallery will open with a preview of your recording. If it doesn't appear automatically, select the gallery icon, the game controller and film. Select Open File Location to view the video in File Explorer. Note, the default location for Game Bar recordings is C:\users\left username right /videos/captures.